Yo, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jay back at again with the Crimson Camry, and today what I'm gonna be installing is RGB Nike tails on this Camry right here. The RGB Nike tails are from A Tuners. I'm gonna show you right now. Here's the box. Here, hold this for me. Make sure your camera skills are A1. All right, guys. So these are the tail lights. I'm pretty sure they're made after the dark Nike tails, so the SBR or SBW, however you want to say it. Go ahead and take a look at them. So I think these are SBW because they got white lights on the inside, if you can see. It's kind of shady over here, but it's white lights on the inside. You got black housing and you got a smoke tent. So yeah, this would probably be SBW. Go ahead and go through all the parts. This is my first time messing with RGB tails. I'm pretty sure, look, honestly, it's all the same stuff. It's in all my other tail light videos, so I'm not gonna like show you, oh, take this bolt out here, take this bolt out here. We're just gonna run through this, install the tail lights, and then I'm gonna show you the features on how to work the RGB. And we got some wires. These are normal, you've seen these before. This is something new, it's just one wire. I'm sure this has something to do with the connection of the RGB feature. And then you got plug and play harnesses. I'm pretty sure this is for SELETRD, so we're going to need these. And then a remote. I didn't know about this, but cool. Another thing is there's instructions inside here, but you guys aren't going to need these instructions because I'm going to give you the best guide of your life on how to install these. All right. Next is these. Damn, what's that? Okay, I didn't even do anything. They just came right out. Tail light back in. Remember, you're looking for this hook right here to go in this clip, this to go inside this hole, and then you want to look underneath and make sure these two right here grab onto this bracket. That's very important, otherwise the fitment's going to be off. Go ahead and secure these now. Get that out the way. Next, you got these. You got a couple more wires in here. You got the orange, you got the purple, you got the navy blue in here. It looks like the same process, just plug it up someday, but they made it, A Tuners made it really clean with the wiring. That way you won't have to sit there and try to splice and put this together, put that together. You just plug and play. Make sure the wires go through the hole. Look for the same thing. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get the harnesses for the SELETRD. Put that into there. And then your regular harness from your car, plug into there. That's good. Real easy stuff, guys. This ain't rocket science. This one kind of thick too. God dang. Clarifications, if you guys ever had a hard time plugging this wire, the harnesses together, if you look at this one right here, it has like a little lip right here. It always goes on this side of the harness. Okay, and you always hear you always feel or hear like some type of click when you put it together. Now this one right here doesn't go from up and down because they only gave us one of it. So common sense says that you're connecting this purple to the brown. All right, and it's connected to the one over here. All right, so when we clean it up, actually, we'll do this. We're gonna wire it back through there, and then connect it together. And where the wire's right there, we'll zip tie it to the wire that's already inside the trunk and call it a day. Pretty cool, right? You can see the colors and everything. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of jealous, but it's all good. All right. So, you guys gonna go to the app store. You wanna type in light running. On the paper it says light run, but type in light running, okay? You're gonna see a man like this running on the app little app icon. Open the app. This is what you're gonna see right here. Make sure your Bluetooth is on. You have an Apple right here. You're gonna go to add device. Maybe I should turn the lights on. That'd be smart. See, it came up automatically as soon as I turned the lights on. So you go click on that, and then boom. I mean, everything else is self-explanatory. I'm gonna go ahead and mess with it because I've never seen it before. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. You can change the brightness to make it really dim. Make it really bright. You could change the speed of it. Fast and slow. This is just solid color. I think auto just goes through all the settings together. So I think there's like 40 different settings that you could choose from. That's pretty cool. Good. But yeah, you guys think RGB tails only for how much money again? $7.99? Yeah, $7.99. I sell them and I don't even know. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think inside the comments below. This is freaking amazing. You don't gotta break the bank to get RGB tails. We do have RGB headlights coming out very soon. I think next month actually, but don't quote me on that. Alright, so we're just cleaning it up here. Zip ties, like I said I would. Just showing you a little guide of what you can do in terms terms of keeping it clean. Nothing crazy. Just enough so wires aren't hanging, but at the end of the day, you're not going to see the wires anyway because you got covers that cover all this stuff. So, if you guys have any questions, send me a message on Instagram, comment below on here. I'm going to hit the link inside the description below. And as always, as you see going down the bottom of the screen, I have a discount code for Amy Tuners. Anything you want to buy off of Amy Tuners, you get 10%. Sometimes we do a 15% off, which is very rare. So don't sit there and wait for that. Get the 10% off, save you some money, get these cool tail lights on your car. Purple. But yeah, and stay tuned till next time, guys. Thank you for watching. Deuces.